We're going to hear, first of all, from JustMilk, Teresa Mayer and Rebecca Schull. This is a company whose device administers life-saving drugs to infants during breastfeeding. Teresa and Rebecca, the stage is yours. And your 3 minutes starts.
Every year, 4.5 million babies die. But many of these deaths we can easily prevent with existing medicine, if only we had hygienic pediatric formulations available globally. My name is Rebecca Schull, and I'm a Gates Cambridge Scholar.
My name is Teresa Mayer, and I'm a W.D. Armstrong Scholar, and we are both doctoral candidates at the Department of Chemical Engineering and Biotechnology, University of Cambridge.
Together, we represent JustMilk, a venture including a nonprofit and limited company, developing a novel device for administering life-saving drugs and nutrients to breastfeeding infants. Our device, as shown here, holds a medication inside of it. This medication could be an antiretroviral, an antimalarial, an analgesic, or an antibiotic. When worn by a mother during breastfeeding, it releases this medicine into the milk consumed by the infant. It could be disposable, overcoming hygiene concerns in pediatric drug delivery. It doesn't require refrigeration, like many existing formulations of medicines currently do. It holds the entire dose of medicine inside of it, so mothers don't need to be literate in order to be able to give a dose. And because it's used during breastfeeding, it promotes this nutritionally beneficial practice. Funded by agencies, including USAID and the Gates Foundation, we're working with an international team, including UC Berkeley, the UCL School of Pharmacy, the University of Venda in South Africa, and the University of Cambridge Judge Business School.
We have conducted extensive lab-based validation studies using novel breastfeeding simulation technology that we've invented, and are now aiming to translate our patented technology into a clinical setting. We are receiving support through healthcare professionals at the Department of Pediatrics, University of Cambridge, and the NHS Edinburgh Hospital, who are significantly guiding our research. The clinical investigation will take place early 2017, and we are all excited about the impact that it is going to have on the further development of our drug and nutrient delivery device. In this regard, we would like to ask you for £150,000 of financial support, as well as for a pharmaceutical partner to advise our clinical investigation and help us commercialize our device. Thanks to pitchatpalace, we were introduced to Johnson & Johnson, and we would be grateful for similar introductions to international pharmaceutical companies such as GSK and Merck. Furthermore, we are seeking a brand ambassador to help us share our enthusiasm and to spread awareness about our cause. Please help us decrease child mortality globally. Thank you.
Thank you very much. Right. Teresa, Rebecca, some very clear asks there in your pitch. Tell us what the biggest challenge is from turning, a neat invention into a business. What are the things you're facing? Well,
the important thing to consider is the need of the end users. So we've been fortunate to do a number of non-clinical user acceptability studies. So that's where we go into the context where we would like to commercialize our device, and we ask mothers, clinicians, doctors about what is the need in pediatric drug delivery and how can we meet that need with our device. And in those acceptability studies, we've gotten overwhelmingly positive results. Mothers have come up with reasons for why it'd be useful that we didn't even think of. For example, I mentioned the drug dosing issue. I talked to a mother in South Africa just this last time we did a study, and then she was saying that one of the challenges is that some mothers don't know that if you overdose it, that's an issue. They just think my baby is sick. If I just give this whole bottle, maybe it will get better faster.
Okay, and the business point? What's the day-to-day like? How many are there of you in the office?
So the office in Cambridge itself, it's Rebecca and me. We're doing this as part of our PhD work, and we're also handling the business development. We have just...
So really early stage?
Well...
We're preclinical, so we're doing clinical investigations.
Okay, there you have it. JustMilk. Thank you very much, guys. Cheers.
Thank you.